Hi there, today I will show you how to use Google Meet hosting controls and a few other advanced features for hosting your e-learning day. First off, we can change how many students we see at once by going to the three dots, Adjust View, and change these settings based on your preferences. If you need to mute all students, hover over the participants and click here. If you only need to mute one individual student, hover over the blue icon next to their name and mute. You can't unmute students, unfortunately. If you want students' microphones to stay off during the whole meeting, you can go to Host Controls and turn off everyone's microphone. In the Host Controls, you can choose if students can share their screen, if they can use emojis, if they can turn their video on, and if they can use the chat. One meeting tool we wanted to point out is breakout rooms. You can split students into smaller groups this way and bring them back to the main call when you're ready. It's great because you can set up the breakout rooms at the beginning of your meeting and use them at any time when you're ready later. To close the breakout rooms, click here. When you're presenting a Google Slides, you may want to use a frame so your face appears in the corner when you present. When you share content, you can temporarily write on your screen and the students will see your annotations. Feel free to use our 21 Sketch app for a full whiteboard experience. Thanks for watching and good luck with your e-learning day.